Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope that you are having a great day in your neck of the woods. Here in my neck of the woods in Denver, it is raining and chilly, but that's all right. I enjoy that weather. It's all right with me. I am coming to you today. I got a positive tag from MzBrazell in her last video, and she had some questions for me, so I wanted to answer those questions, and hopefully some of you will want to answer them as well. So let's get started. First off, I am trying to be cognizant of my uhs and ums, so be patient with me. I am working on that. It's definitely something that I want to work on in my everyday conversation as well. It's not that I don't have the vocabulary, I guess I want to say. I'm trying to think of the best word to use, which is probably the case for everybody. So again, I'm definitely trying to be cognizant of my uhs and ums, but if some of them come out, I'm working on it. So the first question in the positive tag is, what 3 things are you good at? So number 1, I would say the reason for this channel would be cooking. It's something that I have kind of done from a young age with my grandmother and my nanny Hallie, and it is something that I just absolutely love. I think I'm good at it. You haven't tasted my food yet, so you might not think so, but hopefully throughout this journey together, you will come to learn that anybody can be good at cooking. Cooking can be fun and great, and it is something that is very easy to do if you just put your mind to it. You don't have to stress out about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like the pictures in a book. It just has to taste good and make you happy. And that's what I'm here to do, is just to show you how to make it taste good, and hopefully it'll make you happy in the process. So number 2, and what 3 things are you good at? Depends on who you ask. I would say maybe helping or kind of training others in my day job as an insurance adjuster. If you ask my sister Alma, she will say no, that I can be a mean trainer. But everything that I do it in love and jest with her, and I have knowledge, I learned things, and I want to be able to share that with people. And so I do enjoy sharing that information, any information that I have. I'm a travel advisor, I'm an insurance adjuster, I'm a cook, I do crafting, so any type of knowledge that I have or can acquire, I'm always happy to share it with any and everybody. And number 3, I would say decorating, but this view kind of messes up with that, kind of messes up that statement. I've been packing to move to a different apartment, so it's a little messed up back there. So don't look too closely, but once I get into the new apartment and get it decorated, I'll show you that is another thing that I think I'm good at. Again, it just depends on who you ask. Just with like cooking, it's kind of subjective, and it's to your taste and what you like. We all don't like the same thing, so if there's anything that I cook that, again, you want to make changes to, make changes to it. That's the beauty of cooking. That's the beauty of recipes. They do have a little flexibility, and you can always cook it to your taste. That's what I love about cooking. So moving on, number 2, which YouTuber inspired you most? That's a very easy question. That would be MzBrazell, who tagged me in this video, as well as her daughter, Nicole J. Butler. I met Nicole around about way through work, and we've kind of been friends ever since we met. She's definitely been a great inspiration to me, a great friend. She's always there if I have a question. She's always encouraging. I know I kind of text her ear off a little bit sometimes, but she takes it in grace, and she never lets me know that I'm bothering her, even though I know sometimes I am. So thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you so much, MzBrazell. You have both been a great inspiration and a blessing to me, and I just cannot thank you enough for everything that you've done. So, number 3. What 3 things are you excited about? Number 1 would be that hopefully we're getting into a new kind of normal with this pandemic. It has definitely been a very long road for everybody. It is something that it's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. And things are coming out in the news about now you don't have to wear a mask if you're vaccinated, and it's gonna be just kind of like cooking. It's different strokes for different folks, and if you're comfortable, if you're vaccinated and comfortable not wearing a mask, of course, by all means, go ahead. I myself personally, I enjoy wearing the mask because sometimes someone will say something or something will happen, I'll make a face, and that mask can cover it. My eyes do give me away. They tend to give me away a lot, so even though the mask covers most of the face, this gives me away. So that's why sometimes I'll kind of have my hair down and just one eye, and maybe it won't give me away, but the mask definitely helps. I enjoy, well, I don't really enjoy wearing it, but it does make me feel safer. And again, if you're vaccinated and you feel comfortable without the mask, by all means. I'm not a scientist, I'm not Dr. Fauci. Follow the science, follow the facts, do what makes you comfortable. But that is something that excites me, is that we might be getting back into a new normal. Something else that excites me would be travel. Like I said earlier, I'm a travel advisor, and I love to travel. It doesn't matter if it's down the road, across the country, down state lines, it doesn't matter. Anywhere that I can go and learn something, I'm happy. I travel pretty extensively for work as an insurance adjuster. That's kind of, again, where I met Nicole. I met Nicole in her state of California, and it's just, you meet, with the work that I do, you meet interesting people everywhere you go. And so that is something that excites me, is being able to go to a place in the United States that I haven't been to, and knowing that I'm gonna get to meet people, I'm gonna get to explore their town, see what they have to offer, see how it's different than my hometown. Is it different? Is it the same? And so getting to travel, like I said, anywhere in the world excites me. I love it. Number 3. I said traveling, I said I guess number 3 would be this channel, and cooking excites me. So getting to learn new recipes, getting to taste new foods. I can be kind of a picky eater, a little bit, just depends on what it is. But cooking, like I said, having this channel and being able to meet all of you is something that is exciting to me, something that I'm ready to do. And I'm always here to answer any questions, help you out with any recipes, anything like that you want or need help on or have questions about. Please always feel free to comment, and I will do everything that I can to get you that answer. So, number 4 on the list, what did you do to relax? Anybody that does my line of work, insurance adjusting will say, what does the word relax mean? When we are out in the field, as we say, we work 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. So relaxing is not one of the things that we normally get to do when we're out, but we do get that day off, and sometimes we take it and we just relax and stay inside. And to me, depending on where I am, relaxing is going out and experiencing that town. If I've been working in Los Angeles, relaxing to me is taking my day off, going to Disneyland, being there all day from the time the gate opens to the time the gate closes. That to me is relaxing because I'm having fun. I'm usually with my coworkers, people that I enjoy being with, and that relaxes me, being able to have fun, see them have fun, and just experience a different part of the world that I don't normally get to experience. So that is something that relaxes me. Of course, everyone will say watching TV, that is something that relaxes me. I tend to rewatch a lot of the same stuff just because I don't have to focus on it. So like I've seen Law and Order SVU every episode probably about 10 to 15 times. But if it pops up on TV, or if it comes up, that Forensic Files, anything like that, that's where my TV is going to land, just because I can play it in the background. I don't have to focus on it, and it's something that I can just relax to. And then finally, number 5, who are you tagging? So I know I'll get an earful. I'm going to tag, she doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, but I know she's working on it, and I'll give her the grace of answering the questions down in the comments. My sister, Alma Zuniga. Just so there's no identity question, Alma Zuniga. And then I'm also going to tag Nicole J. Butler. I will again give her the grace of answering down in the comments. I know that she's been busy with work, just like all of us, and so I won't make her make a video, but I will ask her to answer down in the comments. So thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I appreciate your time. I want to be respectful of your time. I appreciate all of your comments, your likes, your subscriptions. It really means a lot to me. I definitely want to bring you quality content. So again, if there's a recipe that you want to see, please don't hesitate to send it to me. MrKitchen@gmail.com. Feel free to send me those recipes. Any questions you have about recipes, I'll be more than happy to help. And I hope that the rest of your weekend goes well and everything goes good in your neighborhood. Thank you so much, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.